Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. For this month's theme, we continue with our Fourth Frugal February, where we'll be making 4 more delicious recipes that will hopefully help save you a few bucks by using ingredients you probably already have lying around your house, and by also saving you some time on cooking, so you can spend both your money and time frugally. For this week's episode, we will be making some chili oil. For this recipe, you will need a half cup of neutral flavor oil, 2 shallots, 6 to 8 cloves of garlic. Then, to flavor your oil, some spices I recommend are 1 tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorns, 2 to 4 tablespoons of red chili flakes, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon each of sesame seeds, salt, paprika, cayenne, Chinese 5-spice, and MSG. And you will also need 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. You will also need a mason jar to store your chili oil. These ingredients are enough for about half a pint of chili oil, so adjust as needed. First we'll prepare the ingredients. So for the shallots, slice these into thin pieces. It's important that these slices are thin, so if you have one, I recommend using a mandolin to make this easier. But definitely be careful because mandolins are sharp. Next, for the garlic, just mince these up into small pieces. Then for the Sichuan peppercorn, first roast it in a dry wok or pan for a minute or so over medium heat, and then grind it into a slightly coarse powder using a mortar and pestle or other spice grinder. Then in a separate bowl, combine the ground Sichuan peppercorns with the red chili flakes, sugar, sesame seeds, salt, paprika, cayenne, Chinese 5-spice, and MSG. Once all of your ingredients are ready, in a wok or heavy bottom pot or pan, add your oil and heat it over medium-low to medium heat. Then, once your oil is hot enough, add in the shallots and stir-fry this for 4 to 5 minutes, or until they're golden brown. Next, add in the garlic and cook this for about a minute or so, or until they turn lightly golden. Then, immediately take the pot off the heat, add in your prepared spices, and add in the soy sauce around the edge of the wok. Stir and cook this for another couple of minutes using the residual heat. Then, let it cool a little longer before storing it into your mason jar. Top this off with some extra oil if needed. Let this rest and marinate for at least a day or so to let the oil infuse. And with that, your chili oil is ready to eat. For this week's recipe, I wanted to highlight a condiment I like to have in my kitchen when I need a little extra flavor on my food. And thankfully, this chili oil is really easy to make from ingredients you probably have in your pantry already. And especially since store-bought chili oil can be quite expensive, and since making it yourself allows you to adjust the flavors to your liking, this recipe is a great way to flavor up anything with a ton of umami and spice, from rice to eggs to meat and vegetables and more. Speaking of the flavors, I really like the numbing spice from the Sichuan peppercorns, so I included a lot of it in my mix, but these can be a more difficult ingredient to find, so you are of course welcome to adjust yours to what you like or to the ingredients you have on hand. All you really need is the oil and chili pepper flakes, but of course the rest of the ingredients help contribute to a more complex chili oil flavor. In addition to this, the flavor of the chili oil continues to meld and intensify as it ages, so definitely make a big batch of your chili oil so you can taste how it changes over time. But regardless if you use your chili oil to flavor your bland meals, or just eat it straight from the jar, this recipe will be a great way to mix together simple pantry scraps into something complex and delicious. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything you want to make next. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to or follow this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the max AC channel. But definitely be careful, because mandolins are sharp. Oops.